All right, so now let's go ahead and try to find the angle measurement. So how do we find the angle measurement? Well, first we're going to label each side. I'm going to label this side B because it's across from angle B, and I'm going to label this side C because it's across from angle C. This is A because we have our A. Well, we know that C is 26.4, and we know that B is equal to 23.5. We learned that from an earlier video. Now, in order to find the angle, we will have to do the inverse sine operation. And so to find angle B, I'm going to kind of mark it so we have a visual. So we're going to do sine of B because that's what we're familiar with, and that's what we're used to doing. We know that sine will be opposite over hypotenuse, so it's B over C. So we know that B is 23.5 and our C is 26.4. Well, now what we'll have to do the inverse of that ratio. So sine inverse, which is denoted as just a -1 up top, of 23.5 divided by 26.4. And that will be equal to our angle B. And we literally type that into the calculator, and we're going to get 62.9 degrees for our angle measurement. So let's go to the calculator so you can see how that works. So if you're using this Google calculator, you're going to want to hit inverse so you can see sine inverse. On a TI-83 calculator, you should see this on there. So if I hit sine inverse, of our ratio, 23.5 divided by 26.4, hit enter, I'm going to get 62.9 rounded to the nearest 10. So that is exactly how you find the angle measurement. So knowing how to find B, how to find C, how to find the missing side lengths, we understand that now. Now we know how to find a missing angle. If you guys have any questions on this process, please do let me know.